Good day! I am John Seduloy, BSF English.
I am Danica Ipinapio, BSN English. I am Francisca Super, BSN Science. I am Maria Stephanie Aitara, BSN English.
And I am Manuantan Asalmania, Bachelor of Secondary Major in Filipino. Today we're going to interview one of the faculty staff of Guidance Center. Let's go. So good day everyone. So we are here at POT together with Sir Oliver Olino to interview as one of the leader of the family about a difficult decision they had to make. So sir, good afternoon. So first question, can you share a challenge you experienced that led to making a difficult decision?
Actually, honestly, wala akong na-encounter na difficult decision. Since sa pagpasok namin sa KODC, kung hindi nyo alam, hindi na ako full-time ko dito sa KODC. With regards sa decision, since meron mo ng asawa, dalawa kami nag-decide. Pero since ako yung head of the family, ako yung nag-obay na pa rin. Nasa akin yung final decision. Pero sa ano akong mahirapan kasi hindi ko mga suggestion dito sa
So your response sir is together with your partner, so nag-decide mo duha sa inyong decision in life. So ikaw as a head of the family, dili lang ikaw ang nag-decide sa mga decision making na inyong buhaton sa family. So that's good.
So let's proceed to the second question, sir. So, what are the roadblocks, obstacle in making your final decision?
Obstacle, I said a while ago, wala man kami hindi ko magkaroon siya ng obstacle kasi usually sa decision namin, hindi naman kami nagkakaroon ng problema.
So you mean sir, you are family oriented? So yung decision mo is decision ng lahat. So gina-ask mo yung partner to what to do and to
Kung okay sa kanya,
yes, yung
final namin.
solve
Pero
that.
sa final decision, is come to final decision, ako pa rin naman mag-decide.
Okay po sir. So hindi ka mahirapan because there are two partners. So thank you so much. So the last question
The
sir,
last
is
question, sir, is what was the result of your decision and how did you feel about it?
Siyempre, decision namin naging okay man siya. Saka sabi ko nga sa inyo, magkakaroon lang ng di maganda yung decision yung resulta. Kung nagkaroon kayo ng disagree yung partner niyo, pero kung halimbawa nagkaroon kayo man sila sa wala kayo maging smooth ang flow
okay po sir.
sa decision making.
Okay po. So sa pag-decide po talaga ng family, it doesn't mean that you are the head of the household, ikaw lang mag-decide. So need mo pa rin ng consultation ng partner mo. So
Pero when it comes to sa final decision, sa
so,
family, ako pa rin.
sir. So, you mean, sir, that whether magkasinabot mo sa mong partner, but the final na decision is sa imong hadyo, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for your cooperation for our NSPP project. So, I hope, sir, na since namin na-learn, so punta na po kayo na-learn about decision making sa family. And, of course, thank you so much for the time and effort, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.